Guys, if you are looking to just start your trading platform with a wonderful zero stock charges, so come and join the Wealthsimple website where you are going to get a trading platform for a commission-free stock trading. Wealthsimple Trade lets you buy and sell thousands of stocks and exchange trade funds ETFs on major Canadian and U.S. exchange. Just simply sign up and get free stock worth up to $4500. There are a lot of the features for B's $256 million investments, best beneficial silver website, benefits of Wealthsimple Trade, commission free trading, no minimums, CIPF protected, no hidden fee, and start trading in 5 minutes. Simple, you have to sign up and download the application, securely connected your bank, and buy and sell. Simply you have to enter your mail address, password, just get started. And if you have found this video is very useful for you, so please suggest in the comment and give your feedback. So I am going to meet you in the next video. Just subscribe the red color button of our channel to be connected. Thanks for watching us. Have a good day.